Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is Nowsite's newest feature. Yes, another newest feature, Nowsite Marketing. This is going to be it's actually very interesting. It's an amazing feature, but it's very interesting and extremely powerful. So here's the thing. It's really scary how accurate this whole thing is, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. It's not out yet, but but it does launch next month, I believe in August, as well as their other feature that's launching, Nowsite Insight. So this is actually a great tool for when you're looking for prospects and everything. But I'm not going to go too deep into it. I'm going to actually let you hear it from the CEO and founder of Nowsite, and let him explain everything to you on what it does, and how impactful this is, how beneficial this is, and what this can do for you in your business and many others as well. So with that, we're going to dive right into this video, and yeah, stay tuned because it's going to be a good one. I'll be back.
Nowsite networking. So this is really the focus of our time together today. I think that Nowsite networking is one of the most, maybe the most exciting, surprising, like just mind-blowingly cool features that we've ever introduced. Maybe by far, I don't know. But like the reaction that we get, and you'll hear from this in a little while, but the reaction that we get when people experience this is unlike anything we've released in the past. And I don't want to give you necessarily the impression that we've just kind of made this up ourselves, right? Like, I like to think that we're innovative, but in a way, a big part of our mission is not to like necessarily make up completely brand new concepts. It's to democratize existing advantages that big companies have had for a long time, right? And this is a good example of that. Like, I mean, I was talking to Cheryl yesterday, and you were looking for what? A brush for your dog?
Yeah, brush for my.
Yeah, she was telling me, she was like talking to someone about a brush for her dog. And then all of a sudden, we've all experienced this. Somehow, all she's seeing now are ads for dog brushes. I mean, it's not a coincidence, right? Like large companies like, Amazon and Facebook and Google, they've been using artificial intelligence, they've been using machine learning, they've been using what we call big data, right? Accessing just like huge databases. They've been doing this for years. So Nowsite networking, yes, it's cool, right? But it's not something that hasn't been tried and tested and proven by big companies for years. What we can do, though, is we can bring those huge advantages that have been only available to large companies, we can bring it to the direct sales world and empower people, distributors in network marketing, in direct sales, with those advantages that have never been available. So think of Nowsite networking as a way of leveraging big data and leveraging machine learning and all of these, like these capabilities that haven't been available to us to accelerate your own business. Just like just like we all know, it's helped, some of these huge tech companies. Now you're able to harness that same power for your business. And what it will do is it will turbocharge your network marketing. It will allow you to build better, stronger relationships with your prospects faster. And when you do that, it will enable you to then close more customers. I mean, in the end, that's what this is all about, right? This is all about more customers. And, when in network marketing, generally speaking, we are not flooded with more prospects than we can handle, right? That's not the experience that people have. The typical experience is, if I get a prospect, they're like gold. They are worth their weight in gold. I want to learn as much as I can about my prospect. I want to do everything I can to get their business. But if all I have is an email address, my hands are tied. There's only so much I can do if I meet somebody, at a party, or someone signs up on my website and all I get is their email address. Right? What am I going to do? I'm going to email them and I'm going to hope. But now with this new feature, you can do a lot more than that. So let's take a look at networking. So the first thing that you'll notice is that when I click on networking, I'm taken into my contact section, right? Contacts are fundamentally all about networking. That's where they belong. So you're going to find your contacts inside Nowsite Networking, okay? And when you land on a contact, this is what you will see. A significantly enhanced view of that contact. So starting with, of course, all their social media links, things that are familiar, things you can fill out yourself. You'll be able to send them an email campaign, add them to an SMS campaign. You'll be able to indicate what stage they're at. Are they a customer? Are they an active prospect? Are they someone who's, they said that they're not interested? Are they someone who, is inactive right now? So let's say that they're an active prospect. So I want to learn more. I want to know more about this prospect. So what do? I'm going to click Enhance Contact. And what we do now is we take the email address or the phone number that you provide, or maybe the social media link that you have about them, and we run it through dozens of public databases. And what we are able to retrieve from those databases is pretty incredible. The amount of data that we can pull back just from an email address by accessing all of this big data that we haven't been able to access before. We can find out, their bio, where they live, household information, bank cards, estimated net worth, estimated home value, how many people live in the household, do they have children, information about their neighborhood, right? Socioeconomic status of what percentage are above the poverty level, how many are salaried professionals, how many households in the area have kids, and so on. Their interests, diet concerns, travel, reading, sporting, hobbies, music, shopping habits, online and retail. It is truly amazing, and we've been publishing some of these reports, but the amount of information that we can pull back about a prospect to help you better understand them and build that relationship faster is it's incredible. It's truly unbelievable what we were able to find. But that's just the beginning. Not only can we find information to help you more quickly build rapport, but we can then use that information. We can take all of that data and we can apply some machine learning to it to make predictions about that person. Predictions like their personality. And as you'll see later today, I think the number one word that people use to describe our personality predictor is scary. Scary accurate. And it's true. And you'll hear from some people that we've done this for, but the detail that we can provide you about the personality of your prospect, right? How to email them, what tone to use, what details to provide, how to secure a meeting with them, what stresses them, what energizes them, how to speak to them, right? Like when speaking with Susie, use diagrams to explain concepts. Listen to and engage with her personal stories and use colorful descriptions. That's going to be very different than someone who has a more analytical, data focused profile. like our CTO Roman that we'll introduce you later. So in-depth, unbelievably accurate personality assessment, but that's not even all. We then provide you with detailed sales tactics so you can implement that advice. How to get Susie to book a meeting. Try this. I was honored to hear that you thought we were the most innovative product you've seen. I never thought we'd be able to create something like this. If you're free to talk tomorrow, I'd love to share more. So real hardcore tactical advice on how to best approach someone with a given personality. What are her pain points? How to pitch? And it goes on from there. If you're doing a presentation, what to include in the presentation, how to build rapport, if there's how to handle a problem, how to create urgency, how to talk about your competition, how to talk about money, how to, again, like how do you close the sale? So not just information about them, not just applying that information into a personality profile, but also applying that personality profile into actionable sales tactics. These prospects that we have they're like gold, right? And finally, we're able to have the same advantages of big companies that big companies have been using for a long, long time to have the best possible chance to quickly turn a brand new prospect into a customer. So Insight is network marketing, and networking is all about how to accelerate your success by building stronger relationships with your prospects and turning them into customers, faster than ever.
And I'm back. So yeah, do you see the detail and how powerful this one tool alone can be? We're taught when it comes to marketing and sales that you need to know your audience and know your prospects and be able to make that emotional connection with them because it'll help increase conversions and all that stuff. Instead of guessing and filling people out, you have everything right here what they're looking for. So, and what they're into and what their needs are and wants are. That's extremely powerful. And the fact that it's so accurate, it's scary. And you think that, oh, well, Big Brother's watching. Yeah, Big Brother's always watching, but you're actually putting more of your information out there yourself. So don't get like worried that how are they finding this out? This is actually all public information from people the people put out there themselves. They don't really realize they're doing it. So yeah, so it's actually a very powerful tool for the network marketing aspect, or just any business in particular that you have a prospect or a client that you're looking to obtain, or people to get sales, because you actually can target more of that demographic and things like that. So with that, if you have any questions or concerns about this one, please feel free to contact me. Drop it in the comments below, or even text me or give me a call. My direct line, my number is actually in the description below as well. So also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or on my channel, do me another favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, that big red button, subscribe button, and right next to it is a little bell. Hit that bell and click all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a video. You like this last one, so you may want to check this one out. So yeah, guys, this is a great video. This was a great feature that I'm happy to reveal to you guys, and I can't wait to test it myself. It launches next month, August 2021. I'm getting my report done for me. They just submit it and say, hey, go ahead and give us your email, and they're submitting and running my report right now. So when they launch, I'll be one of the first people to get their report. So I will be bringing some more videos to you around this feature and show you the accuracy and other people's testimonies and other people's basically results with this one too, and how it worked for them. So with that, guys, I hope you guys got some value from this one. If you have, go ahead and hit that like button, and feel free to share this one. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to me. Also, there's a link in the description, or actually pinned in the comments. If you want to get going with this one, go ahead and sign up. So with that, guys, I'm going to end this video. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.